This is question 9 of the chain rule assignment, and it is a 3-part problem like number 8. Find f prime of x and find the equation of the tangent line to the graph of f at x equals 1. Find the values of x where the tangent line is horizontal. So our general natural log rule is if y equals the natural log of x, y prime equals 1 over x, and the chain rule is if y equals f of u, y prime equals f prime of u times u prime. Our inside function here, I'm going to rewrite it as 8x to the 4th minus 9x squared plus 7. So u prime is 32x to the 3rd minus 18x. Constant becomes a 0 when we take the derivative. So doing the whole derivative together, we're going to take what's inside here and put that 1 over u, which is 8x to the 4th minus 9x squared plus 7, and then times 32x cubed minus 18x. So putting that into one big fraction, we get 32x cubed minus 18x all over 8x to the 4th minus 9x squared plus 7. So we'll go put that in a fraction, 32x cubed minus 18x, so to the power of 3 minus 18x over 8x to the 4th minus 9x squared plus 7. Good job. So we'll do OK. So to do the equation of the tangent line, we're going to need y minus y1 equals slope times x minus x1. That's the point slope form, so we're going to need both a point and a slope. I'm going to get the y coordinate of my point by evaluating the original function at x equals 1. So the natural log of 7, then 1 squared is 1, so 7 minus 9, 1 to the 4th is 1, so that's plus 8. So that's going to be the natural log of 6. So natural log of 6. Then we need the slope. So f prime at 1 is going to be 32, because 1 cubed is 1, minus 18 times 1, and then 8 minus 9 plus 7. So this is going to be 14 divided by 6, or 7/3 is my slope. So using the point slope for form y minus the natural log of 6 equals 7/3 times x minus 1. And the book just wants y by itself, so I'm not going to get into the slope-intercept form. I'm just going to keep 7/3 times x minus 1, then add the natural log of 6 to both sides. So I'm going to go put that in. So y equals 7/3, parenthesis x minus 1, then plus ln of, what was it, natural log of 6, and check that one more time, 7/3 x minus 1, check answer, well done. And now we do have a little bit of work to do to find out where we have a horizontal tangent line. The only way for this fraction to equal 0 is for the numerator to equal 0. So we're going to set 32x cubed minus 18x equal to 0. Now I can factor out an x and a 2. So 2x times 16x squared minus 9 equals 0. So one of my solutions is going to be x equals 0. And then for this product of two things to equal 0, 16x squared minus 9 has to equal 0. I'm going to add 9 to both sides. So x squared equals 9 over 16. If I take the square root of both sides, solving an equation, I have to add plus or minus. So that's going to be plus or minus 3/4. I'll go put those in. I like going in numerical order, negative 3 over 4, comma, 0, comma, positive 3 over 4. Check answer. Good job. And you can bail out now if you don't want to see this done in the calculator, but I'm going to go ahead and do the whole thing in the calculator. So I'm going to hit calculator, doc for 1 for a new problem, 2 for a graph, and I'm going to go ahead and put in the original function. Control e to the x to get natural log 7 minus 9x squared plus 8x to the 4th, and hit enter. And we do see 1, 2, 3 different places where we're going to have a horizontal tangent. Control plus page, we want a graph page or calculator page. Shift minus for derivative, x is the variable, f1 of x. And then I'm going to evaluate that at x equals 1. 7/3 is my slope. Original function at x equals 1. So that gives me the y menu 3, 3, y minus natural log of x equals 7 over 3 times parenthesis x minus 1. And I can do that. Then I need to add natural log of, we're just going to go natural log of 6 to both sides. So I get y equals, they did the slope intercept form. And now to get the last part, we need to take the derivative, set it equal to 0, solve for x. So menu 3, solve. Going to go up and get the derivative, set that equal to 0, tell it to solve for x, and we get negative 3/4, 0, and 3/4. We got the problem right, both by hand and with the calculator. That concludes this video.